Good morning Year 2 and welcome to your final maths lesson of the week. You've made it to Friday, well done. Mr O'Malley and I are so amazingly proud of each and every one of you. You have tried so hard with your home learning and we have been blown away by your hard work and your determination to complete all the questions. So well done to all of you. Okay, to start our maths lesson today, we are going to do some hit the button. If you'd like to play your own game of this at home, brilliant. All you need to do is go to the Top Marks website and on the right hand side, if you click on maths, and then it's right at the top, hit the button. And we're going to have a go at number bonds today. I'm going to put mine in full screen for you. And I would like to make 10. Okay, so I'm going to click make 10. You'll be shown a number, hit the button that makes a total up to 10. So when I hit play, when you see the answer, call it out and then I will click on it. So 7. What goes with 7 to make 10? If you're not sure, put 7 in your head and count on your fingers. 8, 9, 10. 3 fingers, 3. 9. 9 in your head. 9 and 10. 1 finger, so 1. 5. 5 in your head, count on your fingers. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the answer is 5. 9, 1. 6. Use your fingers. Count on. 7, 8, 9, 10. 4. Put 2 in your head. Count on to 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 8 fingers. The answer is 8. There you go. 10 and 0 makes 10. 6 and 4 makes 10. 8 and 8 out of 8. Well done, team. Okay, so in maths today we're going to be looking at an arithmetic test. So arithmetic means all sorts of things that you should be able to do mentally or by doing little jottings to help you solve the answer. So I will read the question out for you. You're going to pause the video in between and then we're going to solve it together. Okay? So, question number 1, 2 plus 2 plus 2. Pause it now, answer the question and unpause when you're ready to carry on. Okay, so 2 plus 2 plus 2. I'm going to draw little jottings for this one. So 2, add 2, add 2. And altogether I've got 2, 4, 6. Question number 2. 16 add 3 equals. Pause now to answer. Okay, 16 add 3. Now, I'm going to do some mental maths here. I'm going to pop 16 in my head. So here's my head, imagine, with 16 inside it. And I'm going to count on 3 fingers. So 16's in my head, 17, 18, 19. 19 is the answer. Question 3. 90 take away 70. Okay, I can see that this is a tens number. So this time I'm going to use my fingers again. And I'm going to put 90 in my head and I'm going to use 7 fingers this time. Okay, so 90's in my head, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20. 20 is my answer. Question 4. 57 plus 7 equals. Pause it here and then solve the question. Okay, for number 4, you could do lots of different methods. You could do a jotting, you could do a number line, you could count on your fingers again. I'm going to count on my fingers again. because these numbers is quite a small number to jump. I think I can manage that. So I'm going to put 57 in my head again, and I'm going to count on 7 fingers. So 57's in my head, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. 64 is my answer. Okay, let's move on to question number 5. Question number 5, 11 take away 8. 11 take away 8. Okay, I'm going to show you a method that we've done this week with our number line. Okay, I'm going to pop 11 at the end of my number line, and I'm going to jump back 8 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 3 is my answer. Okay, question number 6. 10 times 10. Okay, I'm going to use my fingers again this time. I'm counting in tens, and I need 10 lots of 10. Okay, so I'm going to get my 10 fingers ready. Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10 times 10 is 100. Question number 7. 12 add 23. 12 add 23. Okay, I'm going to use a method we've done this week, but the inverse method. We've been doing subtraction of two-digit numbers. We didn't look at addition, but I can use that method and apply what I know. So it doesn't matter which number I work with when I'm adding, because we know that addition is commutative, but I know it's always easier to start adding from the biggest number. So I'm going to partition 12 into its tens and its ones. So I've got 1 10 and I have 2 ones. So I'm going to do a big jump of 10 and I would land on 33. And now 2 little jumps, 34, and one more, 35. 35. Okay, let's move on. Question number 8. 18 add 80. Okay, I'm going to use the same method from the last question. So here's my number line, and I'm starting at 80 because it's the bigger number. And I'm going to partition 18 into tens and ones. And I've got 80 plus 10 is 90. 90 plus 8 is 98. Sometimes you don't need to do little one-by-one jumps, especially when you're on a tens number, okay, and you're adding on the ones. It's much easier just to jump them all because you know it's going to be 90 something. Okay, number 9, 8 divided by 2. Okay, let's solve together. So I have got 8 cakes and I'm sharing them between 2 children. So here are my 2 children and I'm going to share the 8 between them. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many in this one? 4. How many in this one? 4. The answer is 4. Question 10. Adding 3 small numbers. 9, add 8, add 7. So you can work this out however method you'd like to use. You could use your fingers, you might want to do some jottings, you might use a number line. I'm going to use my fingers, I think, for this one. It doesn't matter what method you used, but for this question today, I'm going to use my fingers. So let's start with number 9 in my head. Let's add on 8 fingers. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 is now going into my head. I'm going to add on 7 fingers. So 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Question 11. 12 multiplied by 5. Okay, we haven't done a multiplication yet, so I'm going to show you the easiest method, which is going to be probably an array. So let's use our smiley faces. So I need 12 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I need 5 rows. So there's row 1. And I'm going to get row 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Row 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And final one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is now showing me an array of 12 times 5. There's 12 in every row, and there are 5 rows. Let's count them. So you've got 12 in the first row, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 60. Question number 12. Half of 22. Okay, let's solve it together. So our denominator is a 2. So I'm sharing between 2. So 2 big buckets. And I want to find half of 22. So let's share 22 sweeties between the 2 buckets. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Let's count how many are in the bucket. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Half of 22 is 11. Okay, question 13. 54 take away 35. Off you go. Right, so we've been doing this the other day. We did subtraction of two-digit numbers. So let's draw out our number line. And let's start at 54. We're going to partition 35 into tens and ones. Let's do a big jump of 30 first of all. So we're going to put 54 in our head, 44, 34, 24. Okay, and then let's jump our 5 ones. So put 24 in our heads, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19. So 19 is our answer. Question 14. 3 times 8. Okay, let's do our array again. So let's have 3, 2, 3, and I need 8 lots of 3. So there's one lot, 1, 2, 3, 2 lots, 3 lots, 4 lots, 5 lots. Oh, where have you come from? 6 lots, 7 lots, 8 lots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, let's count them. So we've got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. And what we'll do later in the year, well, next year now, is we'll start learning our 3 times tables, so you don't have to count them one by one. You can count them in groups of 3. And question number 15, 1/3 of 9. Okay, so our denominator is a 3. That means we need 3 groups. And we want to know 1/3 of 9. So we're sharing 9 between 3 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 in there, 3 in there, 3 in there. So 1/3 of 9 is 3. Can you go through your arithmetic and just add up your score? So how did you get right out of 15? And can you let me know what your score out of 15 was? I'd love to know. Well done, Year 2. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Bye.